So the requirement to say the network policy enforcement, if you have done a study beforehand, you do know that Flannel doesn't support the network policy. It must be Calico, right? Simple as that. Cool, the video is over. Thank you for watching. Wait, not so fast. Picking the Calico CNI is what everyone gets it right. However, there's a 3 trap after, which is going to fail you during the CKA exam. I personally hit 2 of them, but today I'm going to help you to avoid them. So here's the trap number 1. Most people just grab the Calico and install it and call it a day. That laziness is actually causing your mark. So how are we gonna get the information? First of all, we need to get the config map, and the name should be kubectl config. This is one way to get the podSubnet. So you may ask, why do we need the podSubnet? Well, podSubnet is what the cluster hand out. The Calico manifest should be its own default, and it has never seen your cluster. So read the number now before you install anything, because in about 90 seconds, you are going to need it. We are going to create the manifest. So notice that I use the kubectl create here. Now the custom resources in this operator file are massive. If you try to apply it, Kubernetes will try to shove the whole file into an annotation, blow past the 256K limit and fail. Use create and save yourself some headache. Let's apply it. The terminal show a lot of create command. The operator comes up. This is where I stopped last time, and this is trap number 2. Why? Let's verify that. When you're looking in the terminal, here's the command. You can verify that. Has no resources found. I also want to show the Calico system and also no resources found. So basically just the controller sitting there doing nothing, waiting to be told what to do. So how are we gonna fix it? First step, I'm going to download the YAML file. I don't apply it directly because I want to take a look at it. So let's see what is inside the file. Custom resources. And the most important part is this one, the CIDR section. Do you still remember what the podSubnet is? Let's go back and check. So that is our podSubnet. We need to change that. And this is the important stuff and apply to it. So those numbers need to match up. If they don't, you are going to show up some error later in the exam. Now we can create this custom resources. So here's the command, kubectl create file, custom resources YAML. It's gonna take a while. So since we already installed the CNI, let's use this command to verify that if this is going to be working. Don't be lazy. I wish I had known about this first time. One command, and it covers the whole install. But no, it will not catch the CIDR mismatch, which is why we check that by hand. Make sure we can get the node and see if the node is ready. So as you can see, the node are ready. So this is the whole pipeline and process, and I will see you next time.